Hi guys, a little bit cloudy today, it's even spitting with rain. I want to give this rubber band powered aeroplane another go because I found the wheels, so that should improve the centre of gravity. Should be able to push the wings a bit further forwards. So I'm going to give it a little try in the ball court here, as it's called, because I can see the dog walkers are out on the grass, so we'll just give it a little go in here. Just give that a little gentle throw. Let's see what happens. That's just 70 turns, nothing like enough, just to see what it glides like. Well, that actually looked quite promising. Try again. Whoa. That was a bit wobbly. Right, I think that's about 120. I'll try it with a bit of a right bank on it. There's an awful lot of pitch on this propeller. Oh, don't break it. The wind's dropped. Let's try it that way. That's a bit better. Are we going over the wall? Not quite. Oh, that was the best flight yet, wasn't it? Alright, about 160 turns this time. "160 turns feels quite tight on it. I don't know if I can get any more on there." Right, that's about 170 turns. Okay. And the only thing left to do now is turning right. So we'll just try and see if we can open out that turn. Well, that didn't work, did it? Be a bit more dramatic. Yeah. Right, here we go again. Right, I'm going to give it a fair bit of left rudder this time, because we just don't seem to be going in the right direction. Okay, here we go. Well, that was an improvement. That should be the last go. Or should have been. Wind. Oh. Well, I think that'll have to do. My wife's waiting to go home because we've been shopping. But yeah, that was better than the last time, wasn't it? I ought to tell you what I've done to it. I've glued the wings in place and the tail using acrylic hobby glue. I emphasised the folds or the bends for the airfoil shape. Oh, and I covered the tail in clear tape because it was quite damaged, it got folded. So the tail is strengthened with clear tape. The wings are glued in place with acrylic hobby glue or craft glue. And we've put the wheels on to give us extra nose weight. So that's it for today. And it's still in one piece, it's not broken. So that makes a change.